Welcome back to Sam Guess Channel. Guess the monster by emoji and voice. Let's start. Which monsters by emoji? Let's come to the first challenge. Round 1.
Uh-oh.
Can you guess which character this emoji represents? So easy. This is Monster Smile Cat. On to the next one. Round 2.
Uh-oh.
Which character do you think this emoji represents? Exactly. That's Zookeeper. Can you spot the odd one out? This one is different from the others. Guess the next one. Round 3.
Uh-oh.
Take a guess. Which character does this emoji symbolize? You're correct. That's Smile Cat. Next emoji, please. Round 4.
Uh-oh.
Can you recognize this emoji? Guess the character. Excellent work. This is Monster Monkey. Guess the monster by squinting your eyes.
Uh-oh.
You're correct. That's Smile Cat. Ready for more fun? Round 5.
Uh-oh.
What character do you think this emoji represents? Absolutely correct. This is Monster Koala. Let's move on. Round 6.
Uh-oh.
Let's guess. Which character is portrayed by this emoji? Bingo! That's Monster Bear. Next emoji. Go! Round 7.
Uh-oh.
Can you identify this emoji? Guess the character. Great job! This is Monster Elephant. Find blurred monster. Next challenge. Round 8.
Uh-oh.
Guess the character this emoji represents. Brilliant answer. It's Monster Bunny. Ready for the next? Round 9.
Uh-oh.
Take a guess. Which character does this emoji represent? That's right. This is Stick Spider Monster. Let's keep going. Round 10.
Uh-oh.
Can you guess the character based on this emoji? Exactly. That's Giant Fish. Learn math with monsters. Great job! You're so smart! Next emoji, please. Round 11.
Uh-oh.
Which character do you think this emoji represents? You're correct. That's Monster Giraffe. What's next? Round 12.
Uh-oh.
Take a guess. Which character does this emoji symbolize? Excellent work. This is Friendly Ostrich. Ready for more? Round 13.
Uh-oh.
Can you recognize this emoji? Guess the character. Absolutely correct. This is Friendly Cow. Guess the monster by shadow.
Uh-oh.
Excellent work. This is Friendly Ostrich. Ready for the next? Round 14.
Uh-oh.
Guess the character this emoji represents. Bingo! That's Friendly Lizard. Let's keep going. Round 15.
Uh-oh.
Can you identify this emoji? Guess the character. Great job! This is Friendly Frog. Let's move on. Round 16.
Uh-oh.
Which character do you think this emoji represents? You're correct. That's Friendly Slime.